Fits any space and even designs the space. World's first wall-mounted mini washer. It now designs your lifestyle. Stylishly cube-shaped with added smoothness, Mini's elegant design can suit any space in your home. Mini gives you a new and convenient washing experience. Don't worry about piling up laundry. With Mini, you can wash small loads of laundry right away. Mini can wash any kind of clothing just as if hand-washed. Add convenience to your busy life with a 15-minute quick wash. Mini takes special care of your baby as well. With hot water set to 95 degrees Celsius, Mini completely removes any detergent residue or dirt and sterilizes fabrics, protecting the sensitive skin of your baby. The Drum Clean feature keeps your washer clean at all times, taking your worries away. Enjoy its useful features and chic design. Upgrade your lifestyle with Mini.